Catherine here. I'm coming on today to share with you my Kitaholics Kit subscription unboxing. I've subscribed to this Kit Club since, I want to say July 2019, and I just find it amazing to get a kit every month that I'm able to work with. I was pretty excited this month though, because it is based around the Coco Vanilla Studio Legendary Collection. So my subscription includes both the main kit and also the mixed media kit. I'll just move this out of the way. And so yeah, I'll go through and run you through the products. I did also grab a whole bunch of other extras. But yeah, we'll just do a quick little look at what the kit's like. So to start with, the mixed media kit. The mixed media kit, yeah, really varies month to month, but it's great because you get to add to your stash all sorts of things that you'll be able to use in future projects. So to start with, there's this bow bunny heart and stars stamp. That'll be fun to sort of make backgrounds with, or, you know, I do a lot of card making as well, so that'll come in really handy at any time. There's a Jen Hatfield gold glitter spray. You know, I don't know if it's to replace the Heidi Swap, but yeah, I'll be able to give that a go and see what it's like. I still have a little bit of Heidi Swap, and I've been using a few other things like the Liquitex gold, but yeah, it'll be interesting to use that. Who doesn't love gold splatters? And then lastly in this kit, sorry, the glare's a little bit bad there, are these, I guess, die cuts. So these will be fantastic for creating, you know, backgrounds. You could stencil through these, or yeah, just to add as layering pieces. So that'll be fun to play with. I won't pull them out, but there's some stars and some flowers and some arrows, dots, a few different designs there. So that'll be fun. And then to dive straight into the main kit, it is, like I said, based around the Legendary Collection, and I've been I've been reading this. I love Coco Vanilla Studio, and yeah, I have nearly every collection, and I love it. And because I have a son and a partner, I've got a lot of boys in my family. This will be fantastic. So we might start with the papers. So I'll just put this off to the side. So we have a collection of papers, and there is a little bit for everyone, I think. I'm just going to move that out of the way so we get a bit better sense of this. So first of all, there's this legendary paper. It is the Offbeat paper, and I love this. I've used this in their other collections or similar versions. It's just such a great base to make a background on. Yeah, so I really love that one. And the next one is this cut apart sheet. Lots of great sayings and little images. That'll be fun to play with. I do Project Life as well as 12 by 12 scrapbooking, so you know they'll be able to fit into some of those pages as well. And then again, this background, so this one's called Epic Tales, and so this background would really make a great yeah, a great background page. Oh, and these stars, yeah, I've had these sort of star papers before, and you know, use them both for backgrounds as well as yeah, fussy cutting. Stars are pretty easy to fussy cut, so that'll be fun. And All Star, yeah, this paper's great. You know, do a lot of cut files as well, so you know, backing of cut files will be good for this too. Seen a few people use this design. I'll just flip it over to see what the this one's called Explorer. So I've seen a few people sort of cut out this design and you know, stitch around it, so it'd be interesting to see how I can use this one this month. This one is such a great rainbow paper. It's called Wild One. Yeah, I love this rainbow effect. There was a similar design in the Happiness collection, and yeah, I just loved it. And then this yellow is fantastic. My son is big into diggers and construction, and yes, I'm always looking for different variations of this yellow color. Again, another cut apart sheet. This one's called Total Legend. Yeah, it's got a mixture of great, 4x6 and 3x4s. So yeah, again, Project Life or backing of photos. These strip pieces will be fun to use as well. Love these arrows. This one is called One Way. Yeah, that'll be fun to use as a background, or yeah, just layering pieces. And again, the orange fits in with my heavily, themed construction stuff for my son. This matte paper is just gorgeous. I've seen a few people use it in different ways. And then outdoors type, obviously we're not going outdoors much at the moment, but this neutral kind of wood grain is awesome to use. Yeah. And then we've got a few papers, I'll just shift this around. We've got a few different papers from different collections, I guess, to, not all boy themed, but I still put flowers on my son's layout as well. So yeah, I'm pretty open to all sorts of colors on his layouts. But yeah, I love this. I will probably end up, fussy cutting some of these words. Oh, and this is a nice little strip, of houses, quite appropriate for right now, given where, the majority of us are spending a lot of time at home at the moment. And this is, this is Jen Hatfield, this family collection, so bits and pieces. Ooh, and then I love Pink Fresh Studio. So we got a whole bunch of it last month, and yeah, I absolutely adore Pink Fresh as papers. So this is from my favorite story, and it's Beauty of Simplicity. It's got this beautiful star constellation and the pink kind of geometric. Again, another, sorry, I'll just keep flipping. Another Pink Fresh Studio, my favorite story. Oh, sorry, that's not quite in focus. And it's the best chapter. So, this would make the perfect background. I need to explore how I'm going to use that. And yeah, then this lovely blue. Oh, and lastly, another legendary paper. This one is called Braveheart. Yeah, this could be quite good for like backing cut files or, the background. Look forward to using that one. Then we have kind of the embellishments, and there's a stack this month. We've got some enamel dots, always handy. A whole bunch of like stars and, distress kind of stars and some, things like that, and also a stencil in there, so that can come in handy with some other mixed media stuff. We have the legendary die cut ephemera. So there's 55 pieces in this. I won't open them all, and sorry about the glare, but yeah, there's some really fun elements, lots of stars and kind of adventure kind of themed things, so that'll be fun. Then we have the Native Breeze collection from Kaiser Craft. And, this for me will be, I've got the perfect layout in mind for this ephemera pack. But yeah, living in Australia, it helps to have some, Australian collections that we can use. This, I love these stickers. They're kind of like a foam thicker, but with, yeah, like a wood grain, paper front, and yeah, they're just stunning. I'll get a lot of use out of those. The next one is some Vicky Booten puffy stickers, and who doesn't love a puffy sticker? Yeah, some really cute pieces there. Some title, you could use these as titles, or yeah, that'll be fun. And then we've got, the my favorite stories again, and some of these bows, so you can kind of make them up how you want to. Sorry about the glare there. And then we have the legendary sticker sheet, so the 6x12 sticker sheet. I love these phrases. I use those a lot. Yeah, I love how the sticker sheet allows you, another sort of set of embellishments there. So that is the Kitaholics Kit. I'll just put that there so you can see. But I will bring out the rest of the Legendary Collection stuff that I did purchase as well. I'll just move this off to the side a little bit. Yeah, I mean, like I said, I couldn't resist when it comes to Cocoa Vanilla. Actually, I can't resist quite often. Last month I did add extras around the My Favorite Story as well, because it's just so beautiful. Yeah, so I got another pack of die cuts because he doesn't need more die cuts. I got the 6-piece flare buttons and also the title, the die cut titles. Yeah, which I find super useful because it means, when you can't think of a title, you can pull out these and put a whole range of words together. I also got the 6x8 paper pack, which I absolutely love because, like I said, I do a lot of cut files, and so these are really handy for backing cut files as well as card making. So I do use this to make cards as well. Then I also got the clear sticker sheet. And yeah, sometimes I do struggle, but I do use these, as backgrounds for things on white, or I might, stick these on just white cardstock and fussy cut them. So that's fun. And then I grabbed the whole set of the collection kit because, you always need more paper, and why not? So I got that as well. And there was also something that I never tried before. So I haven't been able to access a lot of white cardstock here in Australia. So I did actually get some of the Basil cardstock, which I'd never tried before. It's beautiful and thick. And yeah, I'm hoping to try some lots of mixed media stuff on this as well. So that is my kind of monthly purchase. I'm not gonna lie, I do purchase stuff from other places, but yeah, that's gonna definitely go a long way for me this month, especially seeing as we're at home and hopefully crafting some more. Anyway, yeah, thanks for joining me, and yeah, if you like, come back and see what we can create with this. Thanks everyone, bye.